So what happens when you put a hamster wheel in the microwave?
You get a brand new CD player with a Hilary Duff CD inside.
So what happens when you put a CD player with a Hilary Duff CD in the microwave?
You get all the crab apples you could ever want.
So what happens when you put all the crab apples you could ever want in the microwave?
You get a twig.
So what happens when you put a twig in the microwave?
You get the microwave's power cord.
What happens when you put a microwave's power cord in a microwave?
You get this really weird picture.
So what happens when you put this really weird picture in the microwave?
Your microwave disappears.
What?